Hi everyone, welcome to Technouron YouTube channel. In our Java series, we are going to see our next program. So we are going to swap two numbers. Okay, so there are multiple ways to do this. We are going to see our first way. Way one is using third variable. Okay, we can use one temporary variable to do the swapping. Okay, let's see. I will explain you theoretically first before going practically. Okay, so consider now A having 10 and B having 20. Okay, now I'm creating one temporary variable. Okay, in the temporary variable, I'm assigning the A value. In the place of A, I'm assigning the B value. In the place of B, I'm assigning the A value. Again, this is how we are using the third variable. Just see that in the temp, I'm assigning A value. In the temp, what is A? 10. Okay, so in now temp will have 10. Then I'm assigning B in the A. So in the A, what is the B value? 20. So now A is equal to 20. Now in the B, I'm assigning the temp value. What is the temp? 10. So this is how we will do the swap using the third variable. In the same logic, I'm going to return in the program format also. That will be same. No need to change any logic. It will be very simple logic. Swapping two numbers is very easy program. Okay. So now I'm creating one int temp value. In the temp, I'm assigning A. Then in the A, I'm assigning B. In the B, I'm assigning temp. Okay. So see, now you can see that whatever I explained in theoretically, I'm written the same logic here. In the temp, I'm assigning A. In the A, I'm assigning B. In the B, I'm assigning temp. Let's run this program. I just entered number first number as 5. In the second number as 10. See, before swapping A having 5, B having 10. After swapping A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. This is how we will use the third variable to swap the two numbers. Is the only way to do like this? No, not at all like that. So we have another way. Okay. So we have another way. Okay, how can we do that? We can via addition and subtraction also we can do that. How can we do succeeded thing? Let's see that. Now consider A having 10 and B having 20. Okay, so first I'm going to do the addition. So A is equal to A plus B. If you add this, what will you get? 10 plus 20, you will get 30. Okay, so that will be stored in A. So now I'm going to subtract it and I'm going to store it in B. B is equal to A minus B. What is A minus B? What is A? 30. A is 30 because A is now changed because we added and stored in A. So A is 30 minus B. What is B? 20. So 30 minus 20, 10. That 10 is going to assign in B. Okay. Now in the third step, A is equal to A minus B. Okay. So what is A? 30. What is B? 10. 30 minus 10, 20. Now I'm going to assign that in A. So this is how without using third variables we can swap two numbers. Let's see in the program wise how can we do that. So in the place of A, what is the first step? We need to add A plus B. In place of B, what we need to do that? I need to add A minus B. In the place of C, what I can do? Sorry, in the not place of C, in the place of A, again I need to A minus B. Okay. So let's run this program now and let's see whether it is working or not. I'm just entering my first number as 5 and I'm entering second number as 10. So if you see that before swapping A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. After swapping A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5. This is how we will use, without using temporary variable, we can swap two numbers. Okay. Now what is the another method? We have one more way to do the swap operation using the XR bitwise operation. How can we do that? Okay, so let's see. Now consider that A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. So XR means like obviously it's a bitwise operator. So we are going to convert every variable to bits, and then like we are going to do the bit bit operations, like binary operations. Okay, so now a is equal to 10. We are converting this 10 value as 10 10, which means like 10's binary form is 10 10. A is equal to 20. Now we are converting this to binary form. It is 10 100. Okay, so 10 10 0 0. Okay, before moving that logic, obviously we need to know how XOR will work. XOR is nothing but the exclusive OR. What is the OR operation? If any one of the input is 1, then that will be our OR operation will result as a 1, right? Success. Obviously if both are 0, then only in that OR case it will be result will be 0. Otherwise always the OR case will be what? It will be 1. So bitwise is, it's a bit different. Like how it will be doing is, if both inputs are same, then it will result 0. If both inputs are different, then it results 1. Okay, so now here you can see the table. I'm having in the a variable bit as 0, and bit as in the bit b variable I'm having the another bit. If you do the a XOR b, it will result 0. So if you 0 and 1, it will result 1. If you 1 and 0, it will be 1. If it is 1 and 1, it will be 0. So this is how XOR will work. If both inputs are same, it will be 0. If both inputs are different, it will be 1. Okay. So now let's see for this a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Now see a is equal to a XOR b. What is a XOR b? 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, why we are adding 0? Because b is equal to, it's a 5 digit, in the 5 digit. So because that's why I'm appending 1 0 on the left side. So now I'm b is equal to 1 0 1 0 0. So here you can see 0 and 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0, which means like it's a bits of, it's XOR, right? So 0 0 will only causing 0, others are 1. So if you convert this, now it will be converted to a full number, then it will be 30. Okay, so now this value stored in a. Okay, now so now a having 30. In the step 2, a XOR b, again we are doing the same XOR operation. So now 30 XOR b means like what will happen now? 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. So if you convert this to whole number, it will be 10. Then now b will having 10. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. Step 3, a XOR b. So again, what is a having? 30. What is b having? 10. So these two variables, for these two we are going to do the XOR. If you do the XOR, it will give the result as 20. So this is how we will use the XOR operator to swap the two numbers. Okay, let's go for the program. Simple thing. Swapping is very easy program. But the question will be different. Use third variable, don't use third variable, like that. You can use XOR also. Okay, so based on the interview questions, you can answer that. So now I done the code changes. Okay, so let's run this program. I will give a input as 10, b input as 20. Result is a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. And after swapping, a is equal to 20, b is equal to 10. Okay, so now we saw three methods, right? So to swap two numbers, we saw three methods. One is using third variable, another one is using XOR operator, another one is using without using that variable, just addition and subtraction. But in which three, which will be used in real time? If you ask me, that first one, using temporary variable only used most of the time, because this XOR one, right? This XOR one, it's we can use for only integers. We can't use this for float and double. So obviously in this place XOR is not efficient, but it will be good for and at the same time it will cause the confusion of beginners as well. But it is a tricky method to swap two numbers. Okay, and coming to this addition and subtraction, there also readability is very less. Like we didn't use that addition method and addition subtraction in production code, right? So obviously using temporary variable will be the efficient way for to swap two numbers, which is used in most of the real time projects as well. Okay, and one more thing is this hope you, if you already gone through Java tutorial, then you must know that there should be bubble shot, selection shot, quick shot. There are sorting algorithms to sort number and numbers, right? So in that places mostly swapping only used using third variable, not a bitwise or not a addition and subtraction method. So obviously using third variable will be efficient compared to other two. In that case, if XR is fancy also, then also we shouldn't go that. But you need to know all the three methods, because if interviewer asking use XR operator, you need to use that. If interviewer is asking third variable, you need to use that. Based on the interview questions, you can go with that. But the efficient and easy way is using the temporary variable. Hope you understand, guys. If you like this video, or just if you understand this video, if it is helpful to you, just share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Then only I can upload my upcoming videos. So I will also get some motivation that I'm getting views, so I can continue on the series. So if you want me to continue on the series, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and share it with your friends, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.